Hey everybody, it's Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really awesome, exciting video for you today. I am going to be showing you how I got this dark, glittery, purple, smoky look, and I got it with everything in my Boxycharm from this month. This Boxycharm was amazing. Seriously, if you guys don't have Boxycharm, now is the month to get it. It's just such good products in this one. This is by far my most favorite Boxycharm. If you do like this video, if you do like beauty videos, please hit that subscribe button, give me a like, drop me a comment, and yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. I am so excited to show you guys what's in the box this month. By far, I'm not even exaggerating. I swear to God I'm not. It is the best box that I have gotten. It is absolutely beautiful items, quality items. I'm just crazy about this box. I'm sorry I couldn't get it up sooner. Had some personal things going on, but better late than never, right? Okay, so we are going to be getting that beautiful look with two eyeshadow palette items. So one of them is going to be the Alamar Cosmetics, the Spanglish palette. This palette is so beautiful. If you love purples, this is the palette for you. And I adore purples, if you guys don't remember. And then I got the Huda Beauty, the Melted Matte Shadow. It's like the double-ended liquid eyeshadows. I would always eyeball these when I worked at Sephora, and I always wanted one. So I thought it was so cool to get this in my palette this month. So we are going to be going in with both of these on the eyes. So it was took me a little bit of time to figure out what I was gonna do, but I think I have an idea, and hopefully it comes out good. So I am first going to go into the Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish palette, and I'm gonna go into I Get Cute, and I'm gonna put that into my crease with a fluffy brush. What I'm immediately noticing about these eyeshadows is they are very pigmented and super easy to blend, like blending like butter, like a dream right now. So I put I Get Cute in both of my creases, and now I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. I'm a little nervous about going in with this just because I haven't really used this product before. But you know what, YOLO, let's go in with the matte color. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. It's a beautiful color. Let's just hope, you know, I don't mess this up.
Serious beats, kill 'em with the heat.
A little bit of an angle type of look and try to be as clean as possible with the wand. So just kind of make it something like that. Praying this goes well. What I'm curious to see with these liquid eyeshadows is, are they gonna crack? Are they gonna crease? Are they gonna hang in there? That's what I really wanna know. So we're gonna get something like this. I know it doesn't look good right now, but it's going to look good. Trust me, we're gonna make it work. This is kind of gonna be a base for these eyeshadows so they can like pop even more. I already swatched them. I don't think they need to pop anymore because they look pretty darn beautiful, but you already know a base under your eyeshadow makes it pop even more. And then I forgot to tell you guys that I got the Huda double-ended eyeshadow in Silk Bomber. So both of these beautiful purple colors. In another tutorial, I'll probably use this one. So going back to the palette, I'm gonna go into Eres un Show. These names are really cute, and I'm sorry for my horrible Spanish accent. I'm Puerto Rican Cuban, but man, like my accent is it's just terrible. But I'm working on it, you know, one of my goals in 2020. Learn Spanish real good. So I'm gonna take that color and I'm gonna go into my inner corner and see how much we can make this color pop. Ooh, it's already super pretty. This is kind of basically like a lilac eyeshadow. It looks just so beautiful. I'm already like absolutely adoring it. And I'm gonna go in, I'm sorry, I have to. I'm gonna go in a little bit with my finger because I think it will make, oh my goodness. That is so pretty. I accidentally smudged the other one, but I'm gonna fix that, don't worry. Oh my God, that is so pretty. This color is very unique. It's like a beautiful duochrome, like purplish blue color. A little bit on the other eye. I'm gonna blend this guy kind of out a wee bit because I don't know if I put a little bit too much on. Shall see. So just like that. Let me get a little bit more in the inner corner because I'm kind of regretting right now putting the Hoola on my inner corner. I think the Hoola is going to be the best for very strategic places, not kind of all over. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now, but we'll see. Let's see how this turns out. And then I'm going to go into, wow, super pretty color. I know you definitely don't say it like that. And I'm going to take that. This I find just such a beautiful color. Sorry, not to flick you guys off or anything like that. It's like another duochrome purpley color. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a really deep like purple. So beautiful. I'm gonna put it over the rest of my eyelid. Don't worry, the edges I'm gonna clean up with makeup remover. It's getting a little out of control here, but you know, that's kind of what happens when you first play with eyeshadows. You just have a lot of fun. And then I am going to go into Ponte Hyper, and I'm gonna put that into my crease, and I'm gonna put it into my crease as well as the outer corner of my eye. And this is gonna be the one to tie it all together for me. So I wanted this to be kind of like a smoky purple, purplish pink type look. And I'm gonna take a tiny bit of the Huda matte color just because like I really want to blend it out nicer in my crease, and I'm gonna take a little bit on my fluffy brush because I felt like it just didn't really blend out, and I'm gonna take that and try to work with it in the crease. Much better, much better. I think with these colors, this is going to be kind of a nice eyeshadow to use as like an eyeliner or maybe in your inner corner. I don't know how much like for the crease, but I do really like it, and I think it is a nice base to make certain colors pop. And then now I'm going to go back into the light sparkly purple color and redefine that bright inner corner, that definition. Then I am actually going to go into another product. I'm going to go real quick into my Too Faced highlighter, and I'm going to use that for the very inner corners. I'm going to take it with my pinky just because I feel like I need a little bit more brightness than what's in the palette. And I'm going to take that color for my brow bone as well. So now I am going to get some makeup remover wipes, and I'm going to clean up the edges and add a little bit of eyeliner, and I will be right back. I cleaned up all that eyeshadow under, and I added some eyeliner. Before I put on my false lashes, I'm going to share with you the next item that I got in my box, and this is the Laura Geller The Volumizing Brush Mascara. So it says wavy fibers, gentle conditioning, smooth formula, yada yada. We'll see about that. So I always love testing out new mascaras because I'm the type of person that no matter what, my mascara runs underneath my eyes and I look like a raccoon. It really sucks. There's very few that don't do that. Even if they do claim to be waterproof, they still run on me. And it's not even like I'm crying or anything like that. I think maybe it's the way like I look when I smile. My eyes tend to kind of like fold. I don't know what it is, but I'm always on that hunt for that mascara, which will not make me run because I don't like doing my makeup and then looking like a raccoon right after. So I'm gonna first curl my lashes because that's what I always do with mascara no matter what. So I'm gonna curl them real quick. I always curl one at a time. I don't like to do both just in case like I lose the curl. So it's a pretty fluffy wand. Nothing too crazy. It's not as big as like, you know, the Dior Show wand, which I love that mascara. It's like a little bit smaller than that, but it's definitely fluffy, not super like plastic fiber like. And then let's just let's put it on. Immediately I'm noticing it's giving me like very like fluffy separated lashes, which I do appreciate. It is giving me length. It's not giving me a whole lot of volume, but it's more giving me length and separation. So on the other eye, I'm actually going to do my mascara how I normally do it, which I always put a lash primer under if I'm not doing lashes, just because my lashes, they just need it. It always looks better with a primer beforehand. And the one I'm using at the moment is the L'Oreal Voluminous. My absolute favorite eye mascara primer in the world is the Dior Show, the primer that looks like just like this in the white. Amazing. That primer is iconic. If you want long lashes, get that like immediately. It is so beautiful. It's expensive, but you won't regret it because you're going to notice such a huge difference in your lashes. So I'm going to curl the other one, put the primer, and put the mascara on, and we shall see. Sorry, I just have to get closer to my eye. I'm like blind without my glasses, and I really don't wear contacts. So I think one versus the eye primer or not, it really doesn't make too much of a difference. This is definitely a very nice mascara. I do have to keep trying it out, but for my first impressions, I would say this is a really nice everyday mascara. You know, you can wear it to the supermarket, you can wear it to your boyfriend's house, you can wear it out with some friends. It's gonna give you very separated lashes that are very long, and it gives you this nice, almost like fluffy type of look to the lashes, which I really do like. Is it gonna give you the most volume in the world? I mean, I don't think so. I mean, from what I've already done, not really, but I think it is a really nice mascara, like I said, for every day, and it's pretty cool that they added it to the box. I'm gonna do the bottom lashes after I do the concealer because it just turns into a freaking mess. So now I'm gonna pop on my lashes and prep my skin for the next item. Yeah. All right, guys, so now we are going to go onto the face and to my last two items that are in my Boxycharm. One of these items I'm not going to use today just because I already have this product. I haven't tried it out yet because I have so much skincare, but that item is actually going to be the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. So I believe it's an exfoliator, but it's a chemical one, so it's just like a natural chemical exfoliator for the skin. So this one, since I do already have this, I am going to be putting this in a giveaway. I'm going to be having a giveaway with a whole bunch of goodies when I reach 500 subscribers. So definitely help me get there. Hit subscribe, give me a like, give me a comment, and you might be able to win this with a whole bunch of other stuff. And so the last thing I am going to use is going to be the BDB Billion Dollar Beauty Sponge. I already wet this. It's like a gray sponge. It has like a little money sign in the middle. Get that money. And it feels, honestly, I could just do this all day. Like, I need this in my life. Just some stress relief. It feels good. It feels like a stress ball. Like, it's super spongy and it's so soft. Honestly, I think it might be softer than the Beauty Blender. It just feels so soft. Feels almost like a blanket. And we are going to go in with the Makeup Forever, my most favorite foundation. I don't know, this foundation, nothing like matches me better and makes my skin look better that I've tried thus far. And this is the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I'm gonna go in the shade Y225. So I made sure to go in with my favorite foundation so I can really see, is the sponge gonna work properly? Because sometimes when you try a new sponge with a new foundation, it just like, you don't know which one is the one that's working bad. So I'm gonna start pouncing this in. Oh, it's so soft. It feels so good. It feels so nice on the skin. Okay, I gotta admit, I'm kinda loving this sponge, which for me, new sponges are very hard for me because they tend to show a lot of my texture other than the Beauty Blender and the Real Techniques ones. But this one is so freaking nice. First of all, it feels amazing. Second of all, my foundation went on really, really nicely. I didn't really have to work much with it. It blended really nice and it didn't pull on any of my texture, and that is really huge for me when I'm finding something to apply my makeup with. So this is definitely a win. So I'm gonna go apply my makeup, the rest of my makeup real quick, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I added a little bit more of the mascara on my lower lash line, and then I went back into the palette and took IKQ and and I put it underneath my lower lash line. Overall, about this Boxycharm, my thoughts and everything, I'm over the moon. I think this was an excellent box. I think if you haven't tried Boxycharm yet, now is the chance to try it. You can definitely still get this box, I believe, as long as you purchase it before September is over. And I think it's so worth it. I only paid $25. I will link right above the price of everything in the box, which I know is well over $25. So I think it's an amazing deal and a great treat to give yourself every single month. It's just a nice, awesome surprise. My favorites from the month is definitely going to be the Spanglish palette. I think it's just so absolutely gorgeous. What I really enjoy about it is just it has really unique colors that I don't always find in my collection, like the guau color. I didn't even use this one, but Pero Like. It's such a beautiful color, and I think they're really pigmented, really blendable, super easy to work with. I love the Hoola thing. I definitely want to play around with it more though. I need to play around with it more, but I really enjoyed it. The mascara was very nice, and the Beauty Blender, the Beauty Sponge was absolutely amazing. I loved it. I think it's very comparable to the Beauty Blender. If not, I gotta try it over time. Maybe I'll like it better. I don't know. That's just how much I enjoyed it. So I think this was an awesome box, and I just can't wait for more. I love being a part of Boxycharm. Everything I used on my face will be linked down below in the description box. So if you have any questions of what did I use here, what did she use there, I have everything linked down below and the colors that I used. I thank you all so much for watching my video and being a part of my channel and supporting me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.